If you're still using VLOOKUP, you're doing more work than you need to, hunting down hash and slash errors, counting columns by hand, and stuck only looking to the right. There's one formula that fixes all three problems at once, and by the end of this video you won't want to go back to VLOOKUP. This is XLOOKUP. If you've watched my VLOOKUP video, you already know the pain points: column index numbers that break when you insert a new column, errors when a value isn't found, and never being able to look left. XLOOKUP was built specifically to fix these. Quick note: XLOOKUP needs Excel 365 or Excel 2021 Plus. If you're on an older version, VLOOKUP is still your tool. I'll link that video at the end. The syntax is XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array, then three optional arguments if not found: match mode and search mode. Notice the big shift already. Instead of one big table array and a column number, XLOOKUP takes two separate ranges: the lookup array, which is just the column you're searching, and the return array, which is just the column you want back. No counting columns. If you insert a new column in between, this formula doesn't break. VLOOKUP column index number would. Watch this. I didn't set true or false anywhere. XLOOKUP defaults to exact match. That one default alone removes the most common VLOOKUP mistake, accidentally leaving it on approximate match. Let's break VLOOKUP on purpose. Here, the column I want back, department, sits to the left of the column I'm searching, employee name. In VLOOKUP, this is impossible without rearranging your data. In XLOOKUP, I just point lookup array at employee name and return array at department. Direction doesn't matter anymore. Right now this throws hash and slash a. With VLOOKUP you'd wrap the whole thing in IFERROR. XLOOKUP has this built-in: add a comma after return array and type your fallback text in quotes, like not found. No wrapper formula, no extra function, one native argument does what IFERROR used to. This is where XLOOKUP really shows off. I want revenue for one product in one specific month, a two-way lookup. The classic way to do this was index combined with two match functions. Watch how much cleaner this is with XLOOKUP. One XLOOKUP finds the right row, and I nest a second XLOOKUP inside it to find the right column. Two lookups, one clean formula, no index required. Let's put them side by side. Error handling: VLOOKUP needs IFERROR wrapped around it. XLOOKUP has if not found built in. Direction: VLOOKUP only looks right. XLOOKUP looks either way. Column referencing: VLOOKUP needs a column index number that breaks when you insert columns. XLOOKUP references the return array directly so it never breaks. Default match: VLOOKUP defaults to approximate match if you forget the fourth argument, which is how silent errors happen. XLOOKUP defaults to exact match, which is the safer default. XLOOKUP isn't just newer. Every one of these differences fixes a real mistake VLOOKUP lets you make. The most common XLOOKUP error is hash value, and it almost always means your lookup array and return array aren't the same size. If your lookup array is 20 rows and your return array is 21, Excel can't match them up. Always select both ranges the same height, and you'll never hit this one. If you're on Excel 365 or 2021, there's really no reason to keep reaching for VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP does everything it does, safer in both directions. If you're on an older version, go watch my VLOOKUP video, linked right there, and it'll cover you completely. Subscribe if this helped and let me know in the comments, VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, which one do you still reach for out of habit? Next up, I'll show you how to combine XLOOKUP with data validation to build searchable dashboards. That video's linked on screen now. See you in the next one.